Setting product strategy and designing services.
Setting product strategy and designing services are fundamental to a business's success. They involve a structured approach to creating offerings that meet customer needs and achieve business goals.
Setting product strategy.
A product strategy is a high-level plan that outlines the vision, goals, and roadmap for a product. It guides the development and management of a product throughout its life cycle. Key aspects include: Point 1. Defining the product vision. This involves articulating the why behind the product's existence. What problem does it solve? What value does it provide? 2. Identifying the target market. Understanding who the product is for is crucial. This involves defining the target audience's demographics, psychographics, needs, and preferences. 3. Conducting market research. Analyzing market trends, competitor offerings, and customer feedback is essential for identifying opportunities and threats. 4. Establishing product goals. Setting clear and measurable goals, such as market share, revenue, and customer satisfaction, provides a framework for evaluating success. 5. Developing a product roadmap. This outlines the timeline for product development, including key milestones and releases. 6. Determining product positioning. This is how you want your product to be seen within the market, compared to competitors.
Designing services.
Designing services involves creating intangible offerings that meet customer needs. This requires a different approach than designing physical products, as services are often intangible. Services cannot be touched or seen before purchase. Inseparable services are often produced and consumed simultaneously. Variable service quality can vary depending on the provider and customer. Perishable services cannot be stored for later use. Key aspects of service design include: Point 1. Understanding customer needs. Identifying customer expectations and pain points is essential for designing effective services. 2. Designing the service experience. This involves creating a seamless and positive customer journey, from initial contact to post-service follow-up. 3. Developing service processes. Establishing clear and efficient processes ensures consistent service delivery. 4. Training service personnel. Providing employees with the skills and knowledge to deliver high-quality service is crucial. 5. Measuring service quality. Tracking customer satisfaction and other key metrics helps to identify areas for improvement.
Key connections.
Product strategy provides the overarching framework for service design. Both product strategy and service design are customer-centric, focusing on meeting customer needs and creating value. Effective product strategy and service design require ongoing monitoring and adaptation to changing market conditions. By effectively setting product strategies and designing services, businesses can create offerings that resonate with customers and drive long-term success.